Ngokusho kwalabo nompilo, sekuyiminyaka besebenzela umnyango wezempilo bengaqashiwe ngokugcwele. Kanti-ke bathi ngesikhathi kuphuma izikhala zalomsebenzi ngoZibandlela nyakenye, batshelwa ukuthi angeke bekwazi ukuqashwa bengenabo omatikuletsheni.
Masicashwa la azange basitshele ukuthi bafuna ugrade 12 but net mawukwazi ukusebenza ukwazi ukubhala nokufunda enunesineke sokusebenza sasebenza sigeza bogogo.
Basola abaphathi bomnyango ngokuqasha izihlobo zabo.
Why namhlanje singangeni ngoba ibhodo selivuthiwe thina le post ya createwa yithi because saqala kuphi kuma home base labantwana abancane bangafuna ukungena ku home base angithi bona matric bangafuna ukungena ku home base angena ku home base.
Izinhlangano zomphakathi zithi lezi sebenzi sezibuya nasenkantolo zafike zaphuma phambili njengoba inkantolo yayalela ukuthi ziqashwe ngokugcwele.
We've learned that the department is not willing to come to party because our demands are clear that the clinic needs to be opened. Again, the workers need to be absorbed permanently because that's a resolution and that is what the court order instructed the department to do.
Umnyango wezempilo esifundazweni uthi ngokwawo uyilandele yonke imigudu elandelwayo uma kukhishwa izikhala zomsebenzi.
We actually have followed the protocol or the guidelines of the DPSA where we advertise posts and according to the guidelines that every person who qualifies must be given a chance to compete and that all people in the country are able to apply for this post.
Lezi sebenzi zithi sizoqhubeka nokubhikisha umnyango uze ulisukumele lolu daba.